Sanibonani, ngiyathemba nisaphila, right? Lana sizofunda ama-cards tarot, right? So yes, we're doing a collective tarot reading, right? Sizobuza umoya lana ukuthi yini lefuna siyazi mayelana nenhlambuluko, yini okufihlakele, right? Anything else that umoya ongathanda sikwazi, right? Just after le lesson enginikeze yona ngenhlambuluko, right? Imfundiso zenhlambuluko. Ngithema ngikhuleka la ngaphambi kokuba ngene kule video le ngizonibhulela ngalama cards. Kuba khona ngathi into engidonsela phezulu, ngizomoya wami ukukhuphuka engathi ngiya in space, ngathi ngiyiswa emkhathini. Ngiyanyuka ngiyale emkhathini, ngiyabona ubumnyama, ngibona nama lights nyana, kukhanya nyana okuncane, kodwa angizwisisanga ukuthi yini eyenzekele lapho. Kubuya kwami, coming back to reality, sengibuya ke enyameni, ngahlukumezeka kakhulu ngaphakathi emzimbeni. Kwaba ngathi ngiyagula emoyeni, umoya wami waba phansi. It seems it was like excitement nyana leyo esikhashwa nyana, ephelele, emoyeni ngingazange ukuthi isizathu saloko kwayini, right? But then again, as I'm talking to you now, kunento ethi engathi kulesikhathi lesamanje iningi nyana lenu nizothathwa ngethongo, that is dreams. Umuntu ezwe man ukuthi noma sovuka ukuthi ngathi kunala bengiyokhona, right? Kodwa ungakhumbuli ukuthi bowenzani lapho, right? So yeah, hopefully masiloko sibhula kanje kuzovela lokuthi mhlambe what is it that is blocking you from remembering your dreams as well. Yeah, something like that. All right, so yeah, asingeneni sibukeni. So what we're going to be doing now, siskena i-energy qala, right? Ngaphambi kokuba ngizongena kwi-reading yonke ephelele. Now show us, Holy Spirit, what is happening mayelana nenhlambuluko. What is it that we need to know? What is it that the collective need to know ngenhlambuluko? Sivulele incwadi zenhlambuluko emfihlakalweni, usiboniso okufihlakele. Ngabe kwenzakalani, siboniswa ini na yini umoya ufuna siyazi, right? Mayelana nenhlambuluko, we will see, right? Siyahlola nyana kancane la ngaphambi kokuba sizongena kwi-reading, right? Siskeni energy nje, general energy around inhlambuluko. What is happening? Show me, Holy Spirit, what's happening. Bonise. Ngiyashova manje kodwa amehlo wami ayonke indawo, like ngibukele nale. So yes, it could mean that for many of you, ninginyana lenu nimani nithinta endaweni ezahlukene, umuntu abambela umuntu enze lokhu, like anenze into eyi-1 bese niyayiceda, right? That is what one other thing that is coming through right now. So be careful, right? Uthi masowenza into uyenze ize iyofika egcineni ngaphambi kokuba wenze okunye, ungashiya izinto ungakazicedanga. Yes, right? For many of you ninama unfinished businesses, right? That is why izinto zenu zingakhanyi kahle, ngokuba into maseniyithintile aniyithinti nize niyoyifikelelisa egcineni. Wow, right? So I guess it's what happened to me right now as I was praying. Masengithi kunento engathi ngithethe yangisa phezulu, ngifikile laphana kwaba no excitement nyanda yesikhashana, kodwa ubuya kwami angazange kwenzakale, and nalobo mnandi lo bengibuzwa ngalesikhathi leso buye bashabalala. Right? Does it make sense? Yes. So let's see. Show me what is happening for this also. Okay. Show me 1, 2, 3. I just saw a 3 of swords, right? Yeah. Ukulimala kwenhliziyo, ukukhathazeka komoya. Okay, right. Show me what is happening. Give me the overall energy yenhlambuluko. What's the overall energy yenhlambuluko? Let's see. Oh my God, ayalala cards. Yeah. Seems there's like blockages, but we will see. Blockages, something ending, something's ending painfully and abruptly, so right. Izinto eziphelele emoyeni, yeah, ziye zanikhubaza kakhulu, demoralized you, abanye baze balahlekela ithemba, because of that. Okay, so yeah, but we will see. Give me the overall energy yenhlambuluko. What is happening? Sibonise. Let's see. I need to breathe. Yes, you need to breathe. Phefumula. Okay, 5 of Wands is our overall energy for this reading. Uyalibona nawe leli khadi leli likhuluma ngombango, kukhuluma ngokulwa la, kukhuluma ngokuphikisana la, kukhuluma ngokudonsana la, chaos, right? That is what the 5 of Wands is. Ukulwa, ukuphikisana, yes, omunye umuntu mhlambe mase singasho singathi abanye benu mhlambe kunokudonsana lapho niphuma khona emakhayeni wenu, right? Lapho uzalwa khona. It could also mean the spiritual wars, right? Yes, kuningi okwenzakala emoyeni ngalesikhathi lesi. So crossing that is the 6 of Wands, right? So crossing this 5 of Wands is the 6 of Wands. There's victory here though. There is victory. But it could also mean that kunokuphikisana lana kweyihlalo, right? Yes, kunokuphikisana kweyihlalo. 5 of Wands crossing the 6 of Wands. Phikisana kwamakhosi even, right? We will see. Ukuphikisana kwemimoya emoyeni. And there's also the 4 of Cups here. 4 of Cups. Abantu abamukeli lokho abanikezwe kona. Why ungavumi isiphiwo sakho usebenze ngaso ngendlela wanikezwa ngaso, right? Use your gift, you know, the way that it was meant to be used. Nifanele umuntu athokozele lokho akunikezwe. Yeah, I mean 5 of Wands crossed by the 6 of Wands, the 4 of Cups and the King of Swords, right? Yeah. Ukungabaza isiphiwo sakho, right? Okuvezwayo la okwenza ukuba ube ne-internal conflict, ube nokukhathazeka emoyeni, right? Kube nokushayisana kwezinto zakho emhlabeni, right? The King of Swords energy, that is the energy that you are in, approaching izinto zakho, impilo yakho, either impilo yakho or izinto zikamoya, uzilanda kakhulu ngengcondo, right? With this King of Swords energy, ufanele uchinche lento uyenze, ufunde ukuthanda isiphiwo sakho, ufunde ukuthokozela indlela yakho, right? So there's also the Justice card here. We also have the Justice card. Yeah, it speaks about you having to find that balance in your life and also your spiritual journey, right? Find that balance in this chaos that you are facing, right? The 5 of Wands crossed by the Justice card, right? Ufanele uyithole ngempela into ezobalansisa lengxabano esempilweni yakho. Also justice in this case imele yona inhlambuluko, right? So we have the Justice here and the Page of Swords. Yeah, Page of Swords it speaks about also researching, ukufunisisa ngezinye indlela zokwenza, right? Funisisa ngamanye options. There's also the Hermit here. Hermit, right? And so Hermit is, so we have the Justice, Page of Swords and the Hermit here. Bakhona lana mhlambe nokuvilapha, umuntu ulindile, you know, it speaks about ulindeleni. Khona into ilindele man. Kunabantu abangayenzi lutho kahle kahle, wenzi lutho ukuchange isimo sakho, wenzi lutho ukufunisisa ngezindlela ezingcono zokugucula isimo sempilo sakho yakho or imimoya yakho, khona ngathi ukulindele, right? But also again with the Hermit card here, ikutshela lento lokuba you need to go within. Lento ifunayo isenhlizweni yakho ekubeni wena lento lo uyi-approacha as a King of Swords, right? And the Page of Swords, lento uyilanda ngengcondo wena kati uma ungazinikeza isikhathi, uthole indawo ethulile or ube sekuthuleni, right? Uthulise lengxabano lokukhathazeka okungaphakathi kwakho, you'll find that abantu abadala bazocala ukukhuluma nawe bakubonise ezinye izinto, right? I think also this is about, yeah, at the bottom of the deck we have the 4 of Wands. Yes, so the 4 of Wands, it's stable structurally, into eme solid foundation, into engeke yaze yaphazanyiswa izinto ezincane, shuthi yakheke kahle. Shuthi lana phakathi kwakho yesininginyana lenu niyazibuza ngalesikhathi lesi ukuthi ngingenza kanjani kodwa ukuthi izinto zami zihambe kahle, ngenza kanjani ukuthi mhlambe inhlambuluko yami iyenzeke ize iphelele. All right, so now Spirit is saying to you, there's also the Three of Wands, just Three of Pentacles, just, underneath that, we also have the Chariot here and the Five of Swords, yeah. And the Three of Wands, right, and the Seven of Cups. There is Six of Pentacles, wonderful. Listen to this. We have here the Three of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Five of Swords, the Three of Wands, and there's also the Seven of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. It speaks about what? You having to, let go of that ego. Yekela nokuzikhukhumeza and uhambe uyofuna usizo. Seek help if you have to, right? And then Three of Pentacles, right? The Chariot card and the Seven of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, generally is you. Beka le khali lezo, lokuqinisa ikhanda kwakho lokho kubekele eceleni uhambe uyofunisisa usizo. Yes, the fool. Take that leap of faith, right? Thatha leso step leso kufanele usithathe uhambe uyokwenza lokho. Mhlawumbe uthunyiwe la. Yes, it could be that with the Page of Cups coming out right after that. Khona abanye izinye izinto eniziboniswayo kodwa anilaleli. Mhlambe nibheka imali kakhulu with the King of Pentacles here, right? Iya lapho uthunywe khona, yenza lezi zinto ziboniswa abantu abadala so that uzokwazi ukuthola inhlambuluko yakho, right? Okungiyona. Okay, now let's clarify this kancane. Now show me what's happening here. Kwenzakalani lana? What is happening here? Yeah, now let's clarify all of these cards, right? Sizama ukubona mhlambe ukugenelela kiyo lana njengoba sihlola nje kancane kuba kwenzakalani lana with the Five of Wands here, right? Show me the Five of Wands in 1, 2, 3. Show me the Five of Wands. Yeah, let's see. Show me the Five of Wands. So we have the spells. Oh my god. So we have the spells coming out in reverse. Yeah. Ufanele uqale ngokudiliza kuqala. It's exactly what I was saying to you. Inhlambuluko injalo siyadiliza kuqala ngaphambi kokuba singavula inhlanhla. Ininginyana lenu yes, procrastinating, ikrosa le spell. So spell coming out in reverse and procrastinates. So sweet oblivion, wonderful. So ininginyana lenu banivalile, yes, niqushiwe, right? Baniquphile and mabase babaqeda ukuniqupha kanjalo benza ukuthi umuntu avilaphe ukuyihamba indlela yakhe afunisisana namaqiniso wakhe, right? Yeah, so you are blocked from a new cycle, right? Because of la madliso lawa eninawo abanye kakhulu, yes, they are affecting your health. I see, yes, yeah. Maybe that is why I was saying lento le ngithe mangithathwa ngiswa lapha emkhathini ngazizwa kwangathi ngiyagula. Now show me the Six of Wands. What is happening with the Six of Wands? Desperate. Yeah, desperation reverse. Right, desperate coming out in reverse. I mean the Six of Wands, as we did see lapha ku Five of Wands and the Six of Wands, kuba nabantu ngathi baphikisana nawe mhlambe esihlalweni sakho, abantu baphikisana ngezihlalo, omunye nomunye umuntu ufuna ukuvela, right? Yes, abanye benu niyena nyathelelwa, mhlambe abanye benu niyena duma bese mhlambe into zenu besihamba kahle bese umuntu azithola sekawile phansi. It's because people were actually bahalela lezi zinto lezo nazo, right? Ingakho baye bakunyathelela. And so now we see you here, siyakubona lana desperate, trying so hard to climb up that ladder again. Uyazama ukukhuphuka kodwa kukhona okukuphazamisayo. Again, Spirit is saying to you here, stop doing this ngengqondo, yenze lento le ngenhliziyo. Okay, vula inhliziyo ukuze uzonqoba labo tsotsi laba abakutsotse kangaka empilweni yakho, right? Let's see the Four of Cups. Show me why the Four of Cups here. Why the Four of Cups here? Why the Four of Cups here? Show me the Four of Cups. Give me one. Four of Cups. Yeah, Four of Cups ngitshelile ngathi imayelana nomuntu ophikisana nobizo lwakhe. umayelana nomuntu ophikisana naloko anikezwa kona yena uzifunela okwakhe imayelana naloko ngoba sekuyabonakala la ukuthi abanye benu nithunyiwe abantu abadala bakubonisa indlela yokwenza bathi wenze kanjeya wena wenza kanje manje sowucakekile. And the sacral chakra coming out opposite. Yeah, lento le iphazamisa impumelelo yakho, right? Ukunqaba ukwenza izinto ngendlela oboniswa ngakhona exactly, right? Kuzokuphakamisa. We also have the solar plexus chakra coming out in reverse, crossing this king of swords, right? Yeah, I mean, this is the energy that does not think, does not feel. Umuntu ongacabangisisi izinto mane ayenze nje, right? Bese sekazithola asenkingeni, right? Mase sekaqeda ukwenza lokho izinto zakhe azikhanyi. Yes, message is coming out in reverse, and then ibese uzothi abantu badala bathulile abasasho lutho kanti uhambe wayozenzela okwakho, right? So show me this justice. I think this one is important. Justice. Le ngoba ikhuluma exactly ngenhlambuluko. Release. So we have release coming out, you know, sideways for justice. So the release card ikhuluma ngokudiliza, you know, amagcubu emotionally, mentally, you know, and letting go of people or places that no longer serve you, right? Hlukana nabantu abangeke bakusize ngalutho mhlambe kule mpilo loyiphilayo. And sometimes ifanele siphile nabantu, you know, abaphila into esiyazi, into esingiyo, right? Maybe the people that ophilisana nabo baphikisana nesiphiwo sakho, baphikisana nokuthi wena umelaphi nezinye izinto kanti awuzenzi, ibese nawe uzithola sowenze okunye okuphazamisa lento le ehleli kuwe, right? So be careful of your friends, of your family, you know, the type of friends and labo obakhethayo ophila nabo, right? Show me why this page of swords here. Why this page of swords here? Now we have the fish here, motion, right? Yeah. Show me the hermit. For the hermit, we have mixed signals. Yeah. This page of swords energy, you approaching things, you know, ngengcondo ngokwazi ngokuhlakanipha ngoba mhlawumbe usije ukuthi wena uunderstand lezi zinto lezi ukudlula abantu abadala, abantu abayihambile le ndlela labaphambi kwakho, abantu abakuphethe kukuphithanisa ikhanda ngempela, kukulethela you know ama results ongawajabuleli. All right, so let me clarify this justice card again. Show me what is happening here. What is happening here? Show me what's happening here. What is happening in 1, 2, 3? Clarify for me justice here. Justice. Justice. Show me, why is justice here? Why is justice here? Oh, I have the Ankh coming out in reverse. Uhambo. Crossing that. On track. And the 7. So this is, yes, again, the Ankh here would represent isintu, usiko. Usiko. Sifanele silandele usiko. It could also be, you know, in that regard, like I was saying here, umuntu enze lokho okuhambisana nesiphiwo sakhe, you know, wenze ngendlela oboniswa ngakhona. And then again, also this is speaking about, you know, many of you niyasaba kwenza ezinye izinto, you know, with the Ankh coming out reverse, crossing this justice card. I think nokuswela ulwazi nokunga-understandi sometimes indlela oyihambayo kuyayiphazamisa iy'nsebenzo zakho, kuyayiphazamisa inhlambuluko yakho. Mhlambe ngoba ezinye izinto omunye umuntu mhlambe angazitshela ukuthi hayi lokho kwasathane, lokho akulunganga, therefore I will not do this and that and that, engathi le mimoya le engingamele or engilandelayo or engibonisa lezi zinto lezi le milayeza le engilayezelayo engibonisa izinto, imimoya engahlambulukile. Yes, kunaloko kusaba kini kakhulu. Right, so yeah, we will see. Now let's get into the sesiyangena manje kwi-reading. Right, sayivula ke manje. Angithi we were just scanning the energy. Right, now we are getting into the actual entire reading. Okay, let's see. So we still take the 5 of Wands as our overall energy. Okay, as we get into your reading, and let's see. Yosebenzisa format tiphi. Show me what's happening here. Show me the heart of the matter. Ngibonise kwenzakalani manje. Show me. Give me the heart of the matter. Let's take 3. Yeah, we'll take 3 of these. Give me the heart of the matter. We have here Isilwane coming out reverse. Isilwane siyasazi sonke imimoya emibi le esithunyelwayo. It's either coming out in reverse ngoba kuthiwa mhlambe nifanele nisuse le mimoya emibi eniphazamisayo. Or kukhona lana umoya omubi osuguculwayo. Right, something to do with that, but we will see. Ingulo, head, brain. Right, so ininginyana lenu yes ngalesikhathi lesi nibulawa ikhanda, nibulawa yes ikhanda nengcondo, basically ukulahlekelwa kwengcondo. And this could also mean ukunga-understand sometimes, like I was saying. Right, give me the last one. We will see though. Sizobona. Now there's also judgment here. Wow, this is a major arcana card, ikati elikhulu leli kabi. So we see the judgment here, and just after Isilwane, Ingulo, and brain, Ingulo ekhanda nengcondo. So judgment ikhuluma ngokuchinja kwendlela yokuphila. It's about resurrection. Right, kodwa futhi iyakhuluma nangokutheshulwa. Right, iyakhuluma futhi nangamathuna mase siyisela laphana kwisintu. So we have all of this, but with Isilwane and Ingulo lana yekhanda nengcondo iyarivesiwa. It also, because with the judgment yasibonisa ukuthi engathi manje kwenzakalayo emoyeni emkhathini, singasho abantu abadala ababhizi ngokwenzani, ngokugucula isimo sengcondo ebantwini ngendlela esicabanga ngayo. Izochinja abantu abaningi ingcondo zabo zizohluzeka kulesikhathi lesamanje. Right, I think izinto sesizocala ukuzibona ngelinye iso manje. Yeah, sort of like an evolution. Consciousness basically, it's rising at this moment. Consciousness is rising. We have Umsikazi here at the bottom of the deck, for this heart of the matter card. This card Umsikazi, yes, limele Umsikazi kanjalo, but also the moon. Wow. What of the moon we will see. And there's also the Holy Bible here. Islam. Alright, so basically these are all there's Islam here, and the Bible represents Christianity, right? And there's a moon card here. What is happening here? Kukhona ukuphikisana phakathi kwalenkolo yama-Muslim nama-Christianity. There is a clash or blending of the two, or what. Asal, something is happening in the spirit concerning Christianity and the Islam, religion. And us people also, I mean, sebawakhiphe kanje wonke lamakhathi lawa, singasho futhi sithi indlela esibuka ngayo i-religion iyachinja. Like I said, I don't know where I got the word blend. I wanted to say blend. It came out automatically. So I think it has to do with that. There's going to be khona inkolelo ezayo la entsha. So it's going to be sort of like a blend of Christianity and Islam. Right? Asasi. Yeah. Asasi. Siyobona. Right? Yeah, but something like that. We will see. So that was the heart of the matter. We got here Isilwane coming out in reverse, and then there's Ingulo of the head and brain, and there's also judgment here at the bottom of the deck. So which means all of those are crossed by Umsikazi, the Holy Bible, and the Islam, right? So Umsikazi, the Holy Bible, and the Islam faith. Okay. Yeah, sizobona. But yes, let's see. What is happening here? Let's do tarot. Right, now we are going to be clarifying Isilwane. Right, sizokuthi kuthiwani kabanzi ngaleli card esinikezwa lona eliyisilwane mayelana nesilwane. Show me what is happening here. Why is Isilwane here? Show me. I'm opening the Akashic records for Isilwane. I have here the Nine of Pentacles coming out, wanting to come out. The Nine of Pentacles is about stability, is about independence, it's about ischunywa again as well, right? So yes, again, lento ephazamisa ischunywa lana engathi iya sort of like basayidiscussa le phezulu. It is what Holy Spirit is trying to bazama ukuyijika kulesikhathi lesisamanje, right? So which means soon ithunywa zabantu zizokwazi ukuphakama, right? Abantu bazosheshe bakwazi ukuphakamisa imimoya yabo. Lento le beyiloko iphazamisa isithunywa isiyahlehliswa manje ke, right? So but let's see what tarot says. Okay, now show me why Isilwane here. Why is Isilwane here? Show me Isilwane. We have here the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is something ending painfully or something backstabbing things, right? So let's run leso lo moya lo bokade uzifihlile ngendlela sibona ngakhona. Singasho yesisho ukuthi umoya mhlambi wasemkhathini obukade uthatha abantu. Like I was seeing when I was telling you that just before the reading isongathi nginyuselwa le phezulu. Maybe something inale tendency yokuthi yenza izinto ebantwini uma balele ebusuku. With this Islam card here, the star and the moon would also represent the night time, right? So lento iyenzeka kakhulu ebusuku. And then again, also I'm being told now, ngale khati lengulo and head here, you will find that some of you banesikhathi lapho ingqondo ilahleka khona. Wena uthi abantu abadala bebasebenza ngawo bebakuthathile, kanti nokukhona lo moya lo ongahlambulukanga othatha abantu kanjalo ibe sibamoshela izinto kanjalo. Okay? Yes, the Three of Swords was crossing this Ten of Swords, right? Kona la imphiyane le okuyisilwane ehambela abantu ngaphansi. Alright, show me what else. Why is Isilwane here? Why is Isilwane here? Why is Isilwane here? Why is Isilwane here? Mbonise why Isilwane sila. Or the Isilwane and the Ten of Swords. We have here the Emperor. Yeah, something is being restored here. Kukhona okulungiswayo lana. It's crossed by the star in reverse. Yes, ukhona okulungiswayo lana mayelana lo moya omubi ozifihlile ophazamisa ithunywa, right? So that is something abantu abadala babhizi ngayo manje, right? Emkhathini emfihlakalweni, emkhathini oyingcwele, that is, right? Now show me last one. Why is this one here? The moon again coming out. Something is definitely absolutely hidden here. Kukhona okufihlakele la. Kukhona okufihlakele mhlambe kuzovela futhi again with this Isilwane coming out in reverse and now with the moon card lento izohamba ivele. So yeah, we're looking angakasho mase ngishava lama cards ukuthi le reading lengiyenze isikhathi singakanani, but yeah, kukhona okuzovela la mayelana nomoya omubi obukade uzifihlile uphazamisa ithunywa. Something is gonna come out definitely in in public. This something that is hidden isiyamiswa ke manje. Isiyamiswa with the Hermit card here, right? It's been a slow process with the Knight of Pentacles here, but it is absolutely and definitely helping abantu abadala basesebhizi ngalokho, right? With the Two of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles here, and the Five of Swords here, there's a clash in the spiritual realm. Basically, there's a war happening manje, right? But siyobona ukuthi izojika kanjani masiloko sibuka isikhathi. Show me Pandora's box at the bottom of the deck as I start to shuffle, right? Ngichecka ngalama cards la, yeah, something here was released that is, you know, kunento la eyavulelwa la, isuke yaphazamisa abantwana bakamoya, right? Kodwa umoya manje so busy now phezu kwawo. Right. Now show me why is this silwane here. Let's see what this deck says. Let's sibone lama cards ukuthi athini ngale silwane la. The greener pastures coming out, you know, in reverse. Yes, this whatever that is was distracting also impumelelo, right? Winhlambuluko. All right, let's see what is happening. Show me what else. Why is this one here coming out in reverse, and now the greener pastures in reverse? Kwenzakalani la? I have here caution. Is that bad company I was telling you about? Nithanda ukuhlala nabantu abangan the family. This one is crossed by the family. Yeah, amanzi amnyama. I did see amanzi amnyama during one of the shuffles. You know, with this caution and the family card here, and bese ngikhunjuzwa nangale card lamanzi amnyama. Yeah, I mean siyazi ininginyana lethu basiphehlela amanzi amnyama, right? Lento isemsamo. But yeah, moya uyakulungisa lokho. Let's see, give me last one. What is happening? Why is one here? Greener pastures in reverse, family and caution. Help! 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 This is you asking for help. So yeah, again also remember the spirit did say seek help. So I think with the messages and thoughts, you know, coming out, crossing this help card, it means like they were telling you, go out there and seek the help and also pray about this. Khuleka ngako lokho. It's the message, yes, and thoughts would represent that. Phahla about that, you know, pray about that, meditate about that. You will seek the answers during this time. Yeah, it makes absolutely sense. I mean, it's winter. Iwinter manje kusebusika ne. Isikhathi vele sokujula umuntu aye ngaphakathi acocisane nenhliziyo yakhe, acocisane ne-higher self yakhe, acocisane nalomuntu ophila ngaphakathi kwakhe oqondene nomoya oyingcwele. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna start with this one for the Ingulo and the head. Ingulo, head and brain. Angazi uzaba ngathi ngifunda ama-cards amaningi, but Ingulo, head, brain, ikarata eli-1. Now show me why is Ingulo, head, brain here. Why is Ingulo, head, brain here? We have no why coming out in reverse with procrastinating, crossing that. No, I'm drawn to later here. Will procrastinate? It's fine. Let's see. Show me Ngulo, head, brain. Why is that here? Why is that here? Ngulo, head, brain. No, just give me one. Show me in 1, 2, 3. Why is Ngulo, head, brain here? Show me why. Why is Ngulo, head, brain? Yay. Why is Ngulo, head, brain here? Why is Ngulo? I'm looking at these cards, Msikazi with the Holy Bible and Islam. So I have the broom here, right, coming out in reverse for Lengulo and head brain. So something, yes, something in your belief system, into your brain, ngendlela ucabanga khona, iyakubambezela ekwenzeni something that you were, you know, sent to do by your ancestors. Khona lapho phazamiseka khona ungayi uyokwenza hayi ngoba uthanda, kodwa khona lento le esingenelele manje engcondweni yakho ekuphazamisako. right? As I said, you are not balanced. So yes, I saw the root card, root chakra card here. So try also to balance ground as well. Ground down, yeah. It's ground. Maybe also again, remember I did say to you, the thing that was lifting me masengikhuleka, I mean into enongilifta nje ngingakayicelanga, which means I am not balanced. So it speaks about also grounding and wenze ama-centering exercises, hamba ngey'nyawo kakhulu, chumana nemvelo kakhulu, right? So that lezi zinto lezi ezimane zithatha abantu nanoma bangazibizanga, bangazi ukuthi zivelaphi, zingakwazi ukuthola, right? Show me what else. What is this? There's commitment. Yeah, you need to be committed to your journey, right? Lento uyenze ngempela, uzinikele, uzimisele, so that izoba successful. The apple, this is a forbidden fruit. Yeah, I mean, ubunyanga, it is, kind of like forbidden fruit, kwelapha and all of that. Disappointed, the star seed, so yeah, it is again. Also remember, angisho yakhumbula lesikhathi sisahlola lapha nesichecka when we were scanning the general energy nje, sikhona lapho basitshelile ukuthi engathi umuntu angamukela isiphiwo sakhe ngendlela esingakhona, asisebenzise ngendlela esingakhona, unganaki ukuthi abobani bazathini and all of that. Yes, again, this is what I'm looking at now with the Holy Bible and the Islam. Remember these three cards where I speak about, indlela entsha ezovela, call mhlambe, could even be a church. Maybe there's a woman, khona umfazi la ozoza nendlela entsha, ozoza nesonto elisha. What is that? I don't know. Or indlela yokwenza entsha. Yes, uzavela sizambona. All right? And yeah, again also labe ngifuna ukuthi indlela yakho, mhlambe wuwe ufanele wenze izinto, ngendlela oboniswa ngazo nanoma zizintsha zingajwayelekanga endaweni. It is time to do that. Yeah, actually also that's what they're saying now. Mase ngisho lokho, isikhathi sokwenza lokho. And yeah, it makes sense. I mean, we are in the Aquarius era, right? Isikhathi sokwenza izinto ezingajwayelekile ikona lokho kuzokusiza ngokuthi sisinqobe lesilwane lesi esikabe besilokane siphazamisa lesithunywa, right? Mhlambe yingako indlela esenza ngayo ifanele iguquke, ngoba lo moya lo omnyama osuwangenelela kwindlela zakudala ebikade sisebenzisa, right? So let's see what tarot says concerning the head, ingulo head, and the brain. Buiskati lana, I only have like about 50 minutes left. Alright, so I will see. Show me why is ingulo head brain here. Why is ingulo head brain here? Show me 1, 2, 3. The Page of Swords. You need to reverse. Yeah. Phuma engqondweni yakho. Phuma nje engqondweni. Phuma engqondweni nokucabangela izinto kakhulu futhi ngaphambi kokuba uzenze. Yeah, yes. With the 8 of Pentacles here, Page of Swords reverse crossing the 8 of Pentacles. Stop thinking so much about something before you do it and just go and do it. Yenza. Right, 4 of Swords. Yeah, get out of that comfort zone and go get your money. Go get your money or your pagamisele lesithunywa lesi esikuphazabisayo, right? So let me see. I'll see manje. Show me 1, 2, 3. What is happening here? Show me the King of Wands. Yeah, you need to get out of that, King of Swords energy I was telling you about while we were scanning the general energy right at the beginning of the reading, and get into this King of Wands energy. Iba lo muntu passion, iba lo muntu nokuzibisela, iba lo muntu ovula inhliziyo, uzenze izinto zakho ngempela zizokwenzakala. Right, let me take the last one here. Bese ngenze leya yokugcina isikhathi singapheli. Show me, give me last one. Ingulo head brain. Head brain, okay. 9 of Swords. Yeah, get out of that state. So that is the only thing that is going to help you. Phuma engqondweni, phuma nje ekhandeni, phuma nje emqondweni, ungene enhlizweni. Okay, show me this Judgment here, right? We're looking at the last one, Judgment, the heart of the matter. Yokugcina esibukayo Judgment. Show me why is Judgment here. Why is Judgment here? With the Magician coming out in reverse. Phakathi lo. Hey, sebazoshawa ke bathakathi bazoshawa. Vele dala icalile yona. But the magician in reverse sikhuluma ngobuthakashana umuntu lona onamandla kodwa wasebenzisa ngendlela okungasiyona. Futhi again umuntu lona ozigabazayo, lack of self confidence, right, is one other thing that you will need to work on. Enye into kufanele uyikhulise kuwe usebenze ngayo. Uma umuntu ozigabazayo, uma kuwumuntu ozinyazayo, work on that, right. You have the potential now, amandla into esele nje ukuthi wena ibese uyawasebenzisa ke wavumele asebenze wabonakalise yes. Abanye benu yesikhuluma ngokulandwa amandla lana with the judgment. I did say lena ikarata futhi elimela ukutheshulwa, elimela amathuna, right. Umtheshulo lona futhi kodwa sizobona kuthiwani. Show me, why is the judgment here? The Two of Cups coming out in reverse. Two of Cups coming out in reverse. Disharmony. Six of Cups. Yeah, lay disconnect between you and your ancestors. Disconnection between you and your ancestors. Awunikhulumi nama ancestors wenu. Kukhona lana abanga consult nedlozi labo. Umuntu uthatha isikhathi eside angakahlalanga nabantu bakhe phansi abadala, right. So that needs to change, right. Sebenzisana nalabantu abakuphethe, right. Ibona abaziyo kahle kahle, ibona kahle kahle abakunikezela amandla lawa. Yes. And then again, now they're saying, I know these are amakhosi, they are saying, and sometimes yes uzothi uwe busy uyasebenza lapho ngesiphiwo wasinikeza ubhizi wenza okwenzayo into bezenzakala. Basically this is also about that for some of you. Mhlawumbe izinto zakho bezihamba kahle manje sezivalekile, kwathiwa lana ingoba uhambe wahamba waqinisa ikhanda walibala lapho isiphiwo sakho sibuya khona. Wangasabuyeli manje umane usuchumana nabantu bakho abadala. Ucede ngokuziphatha wena. Ingako kukhona lapho abantu abadala bayethe key bakhiya at the Ace of Pentacles coming out in reverse, bayakulaya kanjalo. So buyela kibo, right. Yes, buyela uyoshweleza kibo, uqala uchumane nabo futhi usebenzisane nabo futhi. Everything is going to be well, right. Yeah, I think ngibone ngalawa. Show me in 1 2 3 what is happening here with the judgment. What is happening here with the judgment? Show me what is happening. Wenzakalani? Judgment. We have the throat chakra, coming out sideways. It's not really bad. Mayiphuma sideways ukushuthi uyakhuluma kodwa hayi ngokuphelele. Shuthi uyazi-expressa kodwa hayi ngokuphelele. You are holding back. Why are you holding back? Don't hold back, right. Ikhulume lento ofuna ukuyisho. Okay. Khona la hold back. Kunomuntu mhlambe ongafuna ukuveza amandla wakhe wonke ngoba mhlambe you are being modest. Hey, it's a good thing to be modest, but sometimes again into yakho, right. Yenze. Okay, show me what is happening here. Now the judgment card here. Now there's idliso coming out in reverse. Yeah. I did say ngiyengagula ngenkathi bangithatha bangisa le phezulu, right. Ekuqaleni kwale reading. So yes, again masokuzophuma idliso manje, potion coming out in reverse. It means also isikhathi lesi sokusebenzisa izinto kaningi into ezoklina ngaphakathi. Okay. And there's a cave here coming out in reverse. Very, very, very interesting. Okay, so this cave is crossed by butterfly. We do know that emakhavini kahle kahle kuyindawo enhle kakhulu or enamandla kakhulu, crown chakra, yokudilisa, yokulwisana nemimoya emibi ehleli emuntwini, right. Yokulwisana nezibhoki, yokulwisana nezibopho, yeah, caves. So some of you ninezikwelete zokuya emakhavini, right. So do look out for that. Mase uzophupha uboniswa ama-cave, isikhathi esihle sokukwenza lokho, right. The crown chakra, it also speaks about, that is where some of you iy'phiwo zenu nizothi masenibuya lapha ema-cavini ibe sezabophulukeka. Okay, sacral chakra, yeah. I mean, also coming out in reverse, the solar plexus. Oh, I have like almost all the chakras here. I have the third, what is this? Crown chakra, sacral chakra, and now the solar plexus. Into engaphuma nge-heart chakra kodwa kukhuluma ngayo kakhulu. There's also the throat chakra here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of your chakras. We also did have but in a root chakra. So yeah, guys, and the grounding very lana ngisho. So yeah, do grounding work, meditate, do yoga, hamba ngeenyawo, akugidwe, you know, khulekani, you know, cleanse. Yes, I mean siyabona laba sitshela ukuthi akube khona izinto ezosebenzisa ukucleanse ngaphakathi. Yeah, right. Go within, you know, seek that higher self. Funa ama-answer endaweni, thola indawo ethulile kakhulu kulesikhathi lesamanje, uavoid ukusihlanganisa nabantu endaweni ezibhizi kakhulu, right? Right. Uzodila nalento le like uzoyizwa kahle le voice le khuluma ngaphakathi kwakho. Alright, so yeah, that was your reading, but let me do this last as we close. Let's look into runes lawa, you know, astro runes. Let's see 3 cards they want to give you in closing of your Inhlambuluko reading. Give me 3 situation. You know, it could be advice, it could be, I don't know. Yes, now, but we'll see. Give me 3 cards in closing for this reading. 3 cards. Now give me 1 at the time. 3 cards. The first one we have, it was like, this is a horse. This is a rune, right? It's about forward progress, it's about partnership, cooperation, and also speed. Interesting. Right, give me the second one. No, give me the second one. I have Otala here, inherent talent, you know. Otala is also a rune. It's about inherent talent, you know, that thing which you were born with. It's inside of you, it is yours. Akekho umuntu ongakuthathela yona. Ngisho sebangayivala ke, but le nto le ihlezi ngaphakathi kwakho. Right, I think yes, with the horse, the card elikhuluma nge-forward progress, and now the inherent card and the ancestral. You know, this is your birthright. Understand ukuthi isiphiwo leso naso esakho. Akekho umuntu ozosebenzisa ngaphandle kokuba mhlamba asebenzise wena ngendlela ukuthi bese kusetshenzelwa yena, right, or akuvale. But ukuthi umuntu ayikhiphe lento le ozalwe nayo, ayenzeki leyo. Okay, yeah. Those are the words that the Spirit wants to tell you. Let me get the last one. So the last one, answers, right? Ancestral gods. Yeah. This is about consciousness, about communication. Yeah, I mean, perfect. And then at the bottom of the card, at the deck, we do have Gebo. This is a gift. It's about gratitude, you know, being thankful for the gift that you have been bestowed with, you know, by your ancestors. Appreciate and let's pure less and always remember that si connected kibo ungawalibali bese wachubeka wena umane usiphatha kanti kunabantu abangaphezu kwakho. Right, yes, this is your gift. Only you angasebenzisa lesiphiwo lesi sizosebenza, you know, yes, sengishilo bangamane bazivale and all of that, but into yakho lena uma kuba khona lapho lahlekelwa khona, go back to your ancestors and seek advice, you know. Yeah, I mean, there's always going to be forward, you know, progress only if you understand ukuthi lento le kahle kahle partnership, cooperation, lento le phakathi kwakho nalabantu laba abakuphethe. Alright, yeah, otherwise that was your reading about Inhlambuluko. I trust that enjoyile and khona lapho sizakale khona, right? Yes, sibonge. Amen.